How to choose a partner wisely. Maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship is one of the most important things in life. There are a few key things to look for when choosing a partner. One of the most important is to make sure that your values align. If you believe in monogamy and your partner does not, then there is likely going to be an issue in your relationship. It's important to know what your partner believes are. Write down a list of the most important characteristics you want in a spouse and then rank them in order of importance. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting overwhelmed by too many choices. Remember that opposites don't always attract. If you're looking for someone who shares your same interests and values, it's best to date someone similar to you. That way, you'll have a lot in common. It's important to think about what you want in a partner, and what you are willing to compromise on. Here are some tips for choosing the right person for you. 1. Define your priorities. What do you want in a partner? Do you want someone who is funny, smart, and active, or do you prioritize kindness and honesty above all else? 2. Consider your lifestyle. Do you like to stay home and watch movies, or go out clubbing every weekend? There are many qualities to look for in a partner, but 3 of the most important are trust, respect, and compatibility. Trust is key in any relationship. You need to be able to trust your partner, to be honest with you and keep your secrets. You also need to trust them to have your best interests at heart. Respect is another essential quality. You need to respect your partner's opinions, feelings, and beliefs. You should also respect their time and space. Compatibility is important, especially in the early stages of a relationship. Lastly, respect each other's social circle. Don't dislike your partner's friends for no reasons. This usually brings problems in a relationship. Thanks for watching.